Here is everything that matters in AI today, June 21st, 2026. Big moves, new tools, and the updates you actually need to know. Let's get into it. AWS just dropped 2 new services, Continuum and Context, aimed at patching critical gaps in AI agents, lack of business context, and security vulnerabilities. Our verdict? This is a big deal, especially for enterprises. Who cares? Anyone deploying AI agents for code generation or data analysis in a corporate environment. The problem isn't just speed, it's secure, contextually aware speed. What changes for you? If you're using AWS, these tools promise to make your AI agents less of a security liability and more of a genuinely useful asset by building knowledge graphs from your own data and automatically fixing code vulnerabilities. It's a crucial step towards making AI agents truly enterprise-ready, directly addressing the trust and reliability concerns that often hold back broader adoption. This isn't about faster code. It's about smarter, safer, and more relevant AI-generated code. A UC Berkeley study found AI is inflating student grades, particularly in writing and coding courses, largely due to AI replacing student work rather than enhancing learning. Our verdict? This is a significant issue, but not a surprise. It's a symptom of a larger problem: how we evaluate learning in the age of AI. Who cares? Educators, policymakers, and anyone concerned about the integrity of academic credentials. What changes for you? If you're a student, the temptation to outsource will remain, but the long-term impact on your actual skill development is concerning. For educators, it demands a fundamental rethink of assignment design and assessment methods. We need to move beyond easily gamed homework and focus on in-class, AI-proof evaluations or projects that genuinely integrate AI as a tool, not a substitute. This isn't just about grades. It's about the very definition of learning in an AI-powered world. Cisco Foundation AI has open-sourced FAPO, a Claude code-driven system for fully automated prompt optimization in multi-step LLM pipelines. Our verdict? This is a quiet revolution for developers. It's a big deal for efficiency and reliability in complex AI applications. Who cares? AI engineers, prompt engineers, and anyone building multi-step LLM agents or workflows. What changes for you? FAPO means less manual trial and error in prompt engineering. It automates the iterative process of fine-tuning prompts, attributing failures to specific steps in a pipeline, and proposing optimized variants. This significantly reduces development time and improves the robustness of AI applications. Instead of guessing why your multi-step agent failed, FAPO tells you exactly where and how to fix it, making LLM orchestration much more predictable and scalable. This is about making AI development less art, more science. Beyond the Siri hype, iOS 27 is bringing practical, less headlined AI features to your iPhone. Our verdict? This is a wait and see for impact, but a clear signal of Apple's strategy. It's a big deal for user experience, but not necessarily a groundbreaking AI leap. Who cares? Every iPhone user, developers building for iOS, and competitors watching Apple's integration strategy. What changes for you? Expect subtle, often ambient AI improvements across your device, smarter photo organization, better contextual suggestions, more intelligent notifications, and potentially enhanced accessibility features. It's not about a single killer app, but rather a pervasive layer of intelligence that makes your device feel more intuitive and helpful. This incremental approach is classic Apple. Integrate deeply, make it seamless, and avoid overpromising on flashy and proven tech. It's about practical utility, not just a redesigned voice assistant. Wired AI just dropped 28 tips to take your ChatGPT prompts to the next level. Our verdict? This is a perennial topic, always relevant, always worth revisiting. It's a big deal for anyone wanting to maximize their AI interaction. Who cares? Everyone using ChatGPT, from casual users to professional prompt engineers. What changes for you? These tips aren't just about getting better answers. They're about unlocking specific functionalities, reducing hallucinations, and tailoring output precisely. It's the difference between asking, write an email, and write a concise, professional email to a client, summarizing our meeting with 3 clear action items in a friendly but firm tone. Mastering prompt engineering transforms ChatGPT from a parlor trick into a powerful productivity tool, allowing you to get more consistent, high-quality results. It's about user skill, not just model capability. This tutorial details building a web crawling pipeline with Crawly for Python, including robots handling, link graphs, and RAG chunk export. Our verdict? This is a huge win for data engineers and AI developers. It's a big deal for anyone needing structured data for retrieval augmented generation. Who cares? Data scientists, machine learning engineers, and developers building custom RAG systems. What changes for you? Instead of manually scraping or relying on limited APIs, Crawly allows you to programmatically build robust web scrapers that respect robots.txt, navigate complex sites, and extract specific data fields. The key here is the RAG chunk export. It prepares that scraped data directly for use in your LLM context windows, turning unstructured web content into structured, AI-ready knowledge. This is critical for building truly knowledgeable, domain-specific AI applications, moving beyond generic LLM capabilities. A new episode of Equity discusses the Trump administration's latest moves against Anthropic and what it means for the AI ecosystem. Our verdict? This is a political football situation, but with real implications for market dynamics. It's a big deal for AI startups and investors. Who cares? Anyone in the AI industry, especially those navigating regulatory landscapes and investors trying to predict market shifts. What changes for you? Regulatory scrutiny isn't just about fines. It's about shaping the competitive landscape. If one major player faces a crackdown, it can create opportunities for others or force a consolidation of power. This isn't just about Anthropic. It's about the broader U.S. stance on AI dominance and competition. Expect more regulatory interventions in the AI space, forcing companies to tread carefully and potentially impacting investment flows and strategic partnerships. This is AI meeting geopolitics head-on. Sam Altman recently defended LLM scaling at Stanford, arguing that an entire generation of researchers underestimated its potential and held back AI progress. Our verdict? This is a shot fired at the academic establishment, but also a self-serving narrative. It's a big deal for the philosophical debate around AI development. Who cares? AI researchers, academics, and anyone following the scaling laws debate. What changes for you? Altman's stance reinforces OpenAI's core belief. Bigger models, more data, and more compute unlock unforeseen capabilities. For developers, this means continued investment in large-scale models and infrastructure. For researchers, it's a challenge to reevaluate prior assumptions. While there's merit to the idea that scaling unlocked new phenomena, it also glosses over the critical role of architectural innovation and fine-tuning. It's a narrative that justifies their approach, but the truth is likely more nuanced. A Redditor on r/local LLMA pre-trained and post-trained a 500 million parameter LLM and a 330 million parameter image generator from scratch as a side project. Our verdict? This is a huge validation of the democratization of AI. It's a big deal for independent developers and open source enthusiasts. Who cares? Anyone interested in local AI, open source models, and the growing accessibility of AI development. What changes for you? This isn't just about one person's achievement. It's a testament to the power of open source tools, readily available compute, and detailed research. It proves that you don't need a multi-billion-dollar budget to make significant strides in AI model development. This trend empowers more individuals and smaller teams to innovate, potentially leading to a wider diversity of models and applications, challenging the dominance of a few large players. This is grassroots AI in action. Google has killed the Nest Mini, replacing it with a new Google Home speaker that doesn't directly fill its predecessor's shoes. Our verdict? This is a strategic misstep for Google, leaving a gap in their smart home lineup. It's a big deal for smart home enthusiasts and Google Assistant users. Who cares? Current Nest Mini owners, anyone considering a new smart speaker, and competitors like Amazon. What changes for you? If you love the affordable, compact Nest Mini, you're out of luck. The new speaker likely pushes a different form factor or price point, potentially alienating a segment of their user base. Google seems to be trying to reset its smart home strategy, but by removing a popular entry-level device without a clear replacement, they risk losing market share. This isn't about AI, but about the hardware ecosystem AI lives in, and Google's execution here feels clumsy. That is your AI update for today. If this kept you in the loop, subscribe and turn on notifications, because I do this every single day. See you tomorrow.